Ow! Jump scare. Hi, hello there, I'm Panic, the Panini, and today I decided to do a long video. As you can see, I'm extremely awkward and very anxious, but yeah, I'm trying to do my best, and the objective of this video is trying to get better at makeup, so leave comments and suggestions and stuff like that. Oh god, I'm so nervous. Anyways, my first step when doing my makeup currently is brushing the teeth. I think it's quite important. I know some of you motherfuckers will be skipping it, so don't skip it. Tooth health is important. The next one is option. I like to shave. Sometimes not, depends on the character, but yeah. It's optional, don't worry about it too much, I guess. Thirdly, clean and exfoliate. I have a big problem. I have crippling ADHD and I'm incredibly lazy. So I just use this one and pretend it also cleans. Either that or just soap. It is a pretty good texture and a pretty good smell. I really enjoy it. Quite nice, quite nice. Just clean your face, honestly. Just do it. Fourth. Mask time, yeah, correctly. I'm using this one. I got it via the influencer thingy on the Yes Style. You can use my code if you want. It's pretty good. I like it. It's a peel-off mask, which means it's better for the environment, I think. And it gives me that nice-ass glow. Maybe don't flip off people, maybe panic, use the other finger. Yeah, that's right. Fucking dumbass. Anyways. While you wait for it to dry, you can try to find a headband and do your little dancey dance to... Yeah, just do it. Anyways. Yeah, I like to scratch my nose to see if it's ready. And when it's ready, you can peel it off and leave your best reptile trim. Yeah, that's right. It's makeup time, and I start with face tape. It's optional, don't worry. But primer is not. Man says man is the man in the creepiness. I don't know. Some of my accounts still say man, blind boxes and shit like that. Anyways, just choose the primer you most prefer and rub that bad boy in. That's right. I hold my face tape because my face tape stands to sleep. It's very annoying. And look at this one. This one is like a gel thingy. I was very excited to try it out. It's the Essence one. But yeah, it's very good, very cooling, and I rub it all over my face. Look at the glow. And then I try to dry it with my hands. Oh my god, sticky hands up there. Anyways, concealer. So I apply it under the eyes, under the nose part, sometimes under the mouth part too, but this time I was focusing on the cuts I had for shaving and my pimples. Different concealers for different things, like the colors, and I applied a little bit too much, and so I was pretending to be a chef, making those decorations of the cakes. And this is me realizing I maybe applied a little bit too much, you know, but improvise, adapt, overcome. Now, time to blend. I like my sponges moist, yeah, that's right. So I just pass it on water, yeah. Blend, until you look like a pale green wannabe Shrek, I guess. Anyways, don't worry. We never fuck up, just keep moving. Don't forget the creases underneath the eyes, forehead. It's okay. Next step is contour. That's right. Am I using my contour stick from 2018? Yes, I am. I don't care. And I applied it on the cheeks, on the forehead and on the nose, and a little bit on the chin. And then it's time to use the liquid. This one is actually a concealer for that shade. I got it on a promotion, and you know, I don't pass on a good deal. And it's very good, it works, I just need to be very careful with it. And I add a little bit more on the cheeks, so it looks like a V shape, because I don't have a V shape. Anyways, and then I go with this cream contour palette from Revolution and just dab. I think you can see the difference on camera. In real life, it shows even more. I especially like to apply it in the nose part. I don't know, do like this little triangle thing. I'll probably try to add images, so it's easier. And also in my eye, between the eye and forehead, because when I clench my jaw, you will see it later. When I clench my jaw, my muscle, like there up top. I really like it. Like that little thing, it's very funny. Blush, okay, this is a lip palette, but I use it for blush. I have this palette ever since like 2018, one of the first makeup things I ever bought. I really love it. Blend, blend again. Just keep going. Trust the process, honest. Now, for this specific character, I use face paint. My inspiration is Dainsleif, and you know, he has the corruption thing, like blue, and I imagine maybe it would be like Gallic, and I ran out of that. Yeah, I forgot about this part. So yeah, I use blue, I imagine like the corruption slowly creeping in and stuff like that. It doesn't look perfect, so I later decided to go on with eyeshadow. Dark blue eyeshadow, dark purple, blend it, add a little bit of white eyeliner, a little stars and details. I think it came out pretty good, you know. I don't have a very steady hand for details, but I tried. I like it. I know it's kinda silly, but like, just have fun with it, honestly. That's the whole point of cosplay. I also add some scars because I think Capitano bought a lot, you know. Also, powder time, yeah, that's right. For powder, my favorite is actually the circus from Power Nose, but unfortunately it has been discontinued. So what I do to try to prolong it is I mix it with the Revolution powder. Yeah, it works, but you know, it is what it is. So powder away, and the colors will be muted. So yeah, keep that in mind. Also, eyebrows. I just fill them in my natural shape. It's kind of messy, but I like it. You know, it gives a little bit of my personality to my characters. And then filling some of my signs, birthmarks I have. And adding some I don't because, yeah, I like it. Also, you can see my pen bending because of the filter. Hehe. Anyways. This is you can see I still look ginger with it, so I went with black powder and tried to fill them in. Did it work? No, but oh well. We are just here to improvise. Eyes, okay. With my eyes, I actually base them off my dogs. Yeah. Pretty much I do black eyeliner inside and white eyeliner in the outside. It's kinda silly, but I like it. And then with a liquid eyeliner, I try to follow my natural lines. Guess who lost the footage? Me. Lip. I had a little scar. Don't worry if it's not straight. I don't think battle scars are ever straight, so just have fun with it. As you can see, I like these, and then I try to blend it later, and fuck it up, as you can see. You can see my little teeth that's broken. But yeah, just fix it, don't worry too much about it. And then, with the same eyeliner I'm using, I add like the little corners. I don't know why I do this, I think it's because it gives it more like an anime look, I don't know. And I also add it in the inside of each lip, I guess, yeah. And blend it with my finger. And then with a lip liner that I have since forever, I just line it. So it doesn't look like too much 2D, I want to give it some dimension. Plus it like literally matches my lip shape. It's kinda funny how I got it, I don't remember. And then with the lip tint, I go on the inside and just dab a little bit, again, for dimension. But I also add it on the top lip. And if it doesn't look perfect, again, don't worry, just blend away. Everything is planned. And oh, here are the eyes. As you can see, it's like dark blue, purple, shimmery white, and I tried to do like the down lashes, and I failed miserably. I'll try again. Finally, for the lips, I have a little bit of an orange lipstick from Step 1. My cousin gave it to me. And yeah, let's rub it in. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah. And by the way, with the rest of the lipstick that's in my finger, I like to have it on the nose. I don't know why, but I do that on the same triangle. And here's a close-up of the makeup. I really enjoy it. Again, I know both characters don't really have much color, but I like to add color in mine. It's fun. I enjoy it. And that's the whole point of cosplay. Just fixing a little bit of the scar I took away because of the whole thing, but yeah. Oh no! Lenses fine. Lenses are my enemies. I have very sensitive eyes, so this is how I put them. These ones are for Moco Queen. If you wanna use my code, you can. Just a heads up, if you are in Europe, you have to pay custom taxes and shit like that. But yeah, they are pretty good. They are my favorite blue-eyed lenses. My mother says I look like one of those creepy blue-eyed people staring at you. But yeah, I think it looks good. This is the final result. I have fun. I was in the middle of the field with my dogs, taking pictures. And that's what cosplay is all about. Having fun, we are just a bunch of nerds. Don't worry too much about it, honestly. And if you have any tips and tricks for me, just leave them down below, especially for the eyelashes part. But yeah, this is my dog Pitufa. Say hi to her. I love her very much. And bye bye. See you all around.